Is you funny? You gonna blow bubbles? Oh my goodness, he's sick. Is he sick? Are you sick? What? What are you doing? You got the hiccups? Yeah. You got the hiccups. You got the hiccups.
So you open it up? So I open it up and I press the power button. It's already supposed to automatically because I'm guessing power up and it doesn't. So you press the power button. When do you realize something got spilled on it? Next month. Okay, so you didn't tip it over and see things dripping out. But you did when you came home and you immediately woke him up.
You need to go put your clothes away.
And are the girls there?
You need to put your clothes away. You go put your clothes in your drawer. Are you big enough to go put your clothes in your drawer? Huh? No. Guess I'll have to do it, huh? Maybe next week you'll be big enough. Think so? Will you be big enough next week? Oh, look at them eyes. What are you looking at? Them big eyes. Big eyes. What? You got big eyes? You got big eyes? You got big eyes? What you doing with that tongue? Ooh. Where's it at? Where's it at? Are you getting mad? Say bye-bye. Bye. Can you wait bye? Bye-bye.